Hello everyone, this is going to be part 3, the third video, in which we are going to go over the verbs that we left in the last video. Okay, complex transitive, linking, prepositional verbs, and phrasal verbs. Okay, I'm going to start with linking instead of complex because they are easier and they are going to help you understand complex transitive verbs. I already have my sentence, so let's start. We do the same as always. We identify the subject, in this case grammar, which, although it's not performing a transitive action, it's not affecting another object, it still is the subject of the sentence. Okay, we're going to add to right here just to avoid confusion. So now we have the verb. As for linking verbs, there are many lists that you can look up in the internet. The majority of them are the variations of the verb to be, and we go from appear, become, feel, more variations, look, grow, remain. Okay, so what do linking verbs do? They don't express action, as you can read here. They connect the subject of the verb to additional information about the subject. Now we're going to do this with our diagram. Grammar to is, so I'm connecting, I'm linking. Remember that this is the line to separate the subject and the verb. Is, I'm going to add another one here. And now, instead of adding another vertical line, I'm going to add one of these. And it goes like this. Okay, I'm going to I hope I could do it. No, I can't. Okay, this line is going to help me with the third element, which is difficult. Difficult is an adjective, so in this case, this is functioning as an adjective phrase. As an adjective, it's doing something to the subject. It's saying something about the subject. Okay, so we're going to add it right here. And now the reason why we use this type of line is because the subject complement is saying something about our subject. Okay, so what is grammar? It's difficult. Okay, that's the reason why we use this type of line. Okay, it stops as at the horizontal line, but it tilts towards the subject. Okay, now this is going to help us with the complex transitive verb, which is the one we are going to look into now. I'm sorry. So we're going to erase this, and we're going to write a complex transitive. I'm going to add some modifiers. So for example, I can say the kind lady considered animals her friends. Now we have similar to the transitive verbs, we have 4 elements, but we always have to keep an order. So we have to identify the subject. In this case is the kind lady. We have a noun phrase here. We have 2 modifiers and the head of the phrase, which is the noun. So we know that lady is the subject. And these 2 are modifying it. Okay, so as modifiers in the diagrams, they always go below. So we have the. Remember to always, if you are using paper or if you're using your notebook, this letter always have to remain with the capital letter. It doesn't change. You don't have to write the capital letter on this one. You have to always write this one with the capital letter, okay, to signal which is the word, which is the first word of the sentence, okay. So now we have kind. Kind is a adjective, but it also modifies lady, so it goes below as well, okay. These two are modifying a lady. Now what's the next step? Identify the verb. Now we know that is considered, okay, considered, and it goes here. Remember that little line. We're going to move a little bit this, just a little bit. The closer the modifiers are to the word they are modifying, the better. Just a reminder. Considered. Now, what is being considered as the friends of the kind lady? Animals. So that will be the element that's being affected by the verb. So we're going to place it right here as the direct object, okay, the one that's being considered. And now what is her friends? Her friends is saying something. It's complementing an element within the sentence, but it's not the subject. In this case, her friends is complementing animals, okay. She considered animals her friends. Her friends is complementing animals, so we're going to add one of these again. This is why I wanted to explain linking verbs first, because it helps understanding the idea of this type of line, complementing, making that helping with the function of complementing, okay. So we have this line and we have her friends. So as the final element we have the object complement, okay. We are complementing the object. Now we have friends, what's this one, okay. We have friends and we have her as a determiner, so we place it below, right below, okay. So now we have the diagram. The kind lady considered animals her friends, okay. So similar to the linking verb, this complement is saying something about the object, not saying something about the subject. The object, this is saying something about the object, so it is the object complement, okay. There aren't that many verbs that are considered complex transitive, and they always look like consider, okay. For example, I can say she thought of him as her best friend, okay. It's kind of similar. She thought of him as her best friend, okay. And that's she thought is similar to she considered. I don't know if it's too confusing, but it always comes to something similar to consider, okay. Keep in mind that if it helps in the future. Now we're going to check very quickly. We're going to check prepositional verbs. Prepositional verbs, you know what? I'm going to make a fourth video because these two are a little bit confusing and I would like to explain them thoroughly. So this is going to be the end for this video. I hope this helps, and if you have any doubts, email me. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Okay, bye.